Sky Color by Peter Hayes Bradengle. How am I going to make the sky without blue paint? Sky Color. Miss Marcel was an artist. She loved to draw and paint. She even had her very own art gallery. Not all of her art hangs in the gallery. Much of it she shared with the world. She painted posters, shared ideas she believed in. At school, Marcel was famous for her creative clothes, box of her art supplies, and her belief that everyone was an artist. Yes, Marissa was an artist. Once summer, teacher told the class we were going to paint a mural for the library. Marissa couldn't wait to begin. The classroom buzzed with sound, brainstorming, the students helping sketches. Together they made a great big drawing. Then they marched to the library. I'll paint a fish. I'll paint one too. I'll paint the ocean. Marissa said, I'll paint the sky. Marissa rummaged through the box of paint, but couldn't find any blue. How am I going to make the sky without a blue paint? The bell rang. It was time to put the brushes down for the day. She climbed aboard the bus. Marissa kept wondering. All the way home, she stared out the window. The sun moved closer to the horizon. Later at home, Marissa watched the day turn into night. That night, Marissa settled down into a deep dream. She drifted through the sky and swirling with colors. The colors mixed, making too many to count. In the morning, Marcel stood waiting for the bus in the rain. The sky was not blue. She smiled. At school, Marcel raced to the library. She grabbed a dish and began adding colors. This one, that one. She swirled the brush to make it actual new color. Then, Marissa then began painting on the wall. A boy asked, "What color is that?" Marissa said, "That is sky color." The end.